Let's learn the next question to understand the implementation of distance formula. Okay, so the question is, show that the points a bracket 1 comma 7, b bracket 4 comma 2, c bracket minus 1 comma minus 1 and d bracket minus 4 comma 4 are the vertices of a square. So this is the question. Okay, now very important. So this statement is very important. Rest all is using distance formula 6 times. Okay, so this is the most important statement. So to prove that it is a square, we need to prove that all four sides are equal and the two diagonals are also equal. Okay, so if you consider this a b c d, and very important, one very important point, when you name it, when you name a b c d, don't name it as a b c and d. Okay, it should be in one order. You follow any order, any direction, that is not a problem, but you don't change it, don't break this cycle. Means what? If you're writing a here, b, write c here and d here, don't write c here. So you come either clockwise or you go anti-clockwise, but maintain that cycle. You can even start from here, a b c d, not a problem. You can start from here, a b c d, but once you start a b, c should not be here, a b c and d, like that. Okay, a very important point, because if you miss this point, then whatever you do, your answer will be wrong. Okay, so to prove that it is a square, we need to prove that what? The four sides are equal and diagonals are equal. You may have a question in your mind, okay, why we need to prove that the two diagonals are equal? Because if you just prove that the four sides are equal, then this figure which is formed by these 4 points, it could be a rhombus. Okay, because in rhombus all four sides are equal. But what is the difference between rhombus and square in terms of its sides? Even if all sides are equal in square as well as in rhombus, but in rhombus diagonals are not equal. Okay, the diagonals are unequal, they are not equal, but in square these two diagonals are equal. So AB will be equal to all four sides equal means what? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. These four sides will be equal, and AC will be equal to BD. Okay, so these two diagonals will be equal. Hence, we need to prove that the four sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Okay, so let's take the first side as AB. So what are the coordinates of A? 1 comma 7, B 4 comma 2. Okay, so find AB. So A is 1 comma 7 and B is 4 comma 2. So this is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 and y2. Okay, now so let me repeat, let me tell you again that this is not x1 comma x2 and y1 comma y2. Okay, this is x coordinate, this is y, this is x and this is y. So this is x1, like first x coordinate, this is x2 first, the second x coordinate. So this is y1, the first y coordinate, this is y2, the second y coordinate, hence it is y2. So AB, what is the formula? Distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. X2 is what? 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 7 the whole square. All basics. Okay. So AB is equal to root 34 units. Okay. So you get the length of AB as root 34 units. Okay. Similarly, you now find the other side, that is BC. So B is 4 comma 2, C is minus 1 comma minus 1. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, you again use the same formula again. So till here it's coordinate geometry. From here onwards it is basics of maths. Okay, so it is x2 minus 1, x2 minus x1. So minus sign, this minus sign here, x1 is what? 4. So minus 1 minus 4 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, minus 1 minus 2 the whole square. So minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, the whole square. Minus square is plus, so 5 square is 25, minus square is plus, so 3 and 3 square is 9, 25 plus 9, so BC is root 34 units. So you have got AB as root 34 units and BC as root 34 units. Similarly, you find CD using distance formula. Okay, you will get it as root 34 units. So and finally you need to find AD. Okay, so AD you find using distance formula. Okay, again basics of maths, and you get it as root 34 units. Okay, it means AB AB, BC, okay, then CD, root 34, and AD. All the sides are equal. Now you check the diagonals. Okay, let's see the diagonals. So diagonals are what? AC and BD. So let's prove that AC and BD are equal. So you find AC, you take the coordinates of A, coordinates of C, use the distance formula, you get it as root 68, okay, which if you factorize, you get 2 into 2 into 17, that is 2 root 70. So it is 2 root 17 units. So AC, one diagonal is 2 root 17 units, and the other diagonal, you take BD, you use distance formula, you also get root 68, that is 2 root 17 units. So write the last statement, very important statement, as all sides are equal. So these four sides are equal, and all diagonals are also equal. So there are two diagonals, AC and BD. So the diagonals are also equal. The given vertices are vertices of a square. So the given points are what? They are vertices of a square. Okay.